Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how to download WinRAR files and how to install and unrar/unzip them. So first we are going to open a Chrome tab. Then, we will write in the search box, WinRAR download for PC. Then, if you click enter, many websites will show here. We can click on the websites that we can see at the top. Then, when you click on the website, a window like this will show up. Then, click here and the download option will appear. If you don't see such a download option, click on the three-dot icon at the top. If you click on the three-dot option, several options will be shown here. From here you can get them by clicking on the download option. So, minimize all windows. Then we will go to the drive we are downloading to. So, we were downloading it inside this file. Then, select this file and right-click on it and click on Run as Administrator. This window will show up. Then, click on Install. Then, OK. Then, Done. So, we have installed WinRAR. Let's unrar a file now. Now we will select the file that we want to unrar, select it, right-click on the mouse, then WinRAR, then Open with WinRAR, then a window like this will show up. I will cross this window. Then, I'll select these two and extract to them. Then click OK again. If the extract file has a password, then enter the password and click OK, the file will start to unzip. So this is how you can unrar, unzip, or extract to any file. So, that's all for today's video. If you have any difficulty understanding anything in the video, please let me know in the comments. So, if you like the video, if it is useful to you, then definitely give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, so, everyone, stay well, thank you.